Here on the vast, ancient continent of Africa, life exists in its most raw and magnificent forms. From the sun-scorched savannas to the dense, humid rainforests, a complex tapestry of survival unfolds every single day. For millions of years, creatures great and small have evolved, each perfecting its own unique strategy for life and for death. We are often drawn to the majesty of this world, to the sheer power of its largest inhabitants and the intricate beauty of its smallest. But with this great beauty comes great peril. This is a land of hunters and hunted, a realm where a single misstep can be the last. While we may feel a sense of security, a belief that we are somehow separate from this primal drama, the line between observer and participant can blur with frightening speed. The very animals that inspire our awe possess adaptations that make them formidable and sometimes lethal. An encounter can be a matter of chance, a fleeting moment where paths cross, turning a peaceful safari into a desperate struggle for survival. So, how does one navigate this world where danger lurks in the tall grass, in the murky water, and even in the air we breathe? We will journey together through this breathtaking yet treacherous landscape, counting down the 10 creatures that, through power, poison, or sheer persistence, have earned their reputation as Africa's deadliest. This is not just a list, it is a guide to understanding, respecting, and ultimately surviving the untamed heart of Africa. Prepare yourself, for the journey begins now. Number 1. Our countdown begins with a master of stealth, a creature so elusive it can live alongside humans almost entirely unnoticed. The leopard. Attacks are rare, yet when they do occur, they are sudden, silent, and devastatingly effective. This solitary hunter relies on the element of surprise. It is a ghost in the trees, a shadow in the twilight, its spotted coat blending with dappled light. The leopard's strategy is patience and precision. It will stalk for hours, then strike and drag prey heavier than itself into the branches of trees. Adaptability brings conflict with humans. Number 2. The African night is filled with sounds, but few are as unnerving as the whooping call of the spotted hyena. Number 3. In the folklore of the continent, it is known as the shadow of death. This is not hyperbole. The black mamba commands ultimate respect, not for its skin tone of gray or olive, but for the inky blackness inside its mouth, a terrifying sight when threatened. What makes it so dangerous is threefold: speed, temperament, venom potency. It is one of the fastest land snakes, up to 20 kilometers per hour. When cornered, it fights, head held high, hood flared, hissing. From this posture, it can launch rapid strikes, often multiple times, injecting large volumes of venom. Its venom is a masterpiece of lethal evolution, a powerful neurotoxin that attacks the nervous system. Without immediate care, respiratory muscles shut down, death in as little as 20 minutes. Symptoms come fast: dizziness, drooping eyelids, difficulty breathing. A reminder: Africa's deadliest threats do not always have claws or teeth. Sometimes they arrive as a slender, lightning-fast shadow. While the mamba is feared for speed and aggression, our next serpent is deadly for its stillness. Number 4. The puff adder, a master of camouflage. A stout body covered in chevrons and browns lets it disappear among dust and leaves. A sedentary ambush predator, it simply does not move out of the way, responsible for more bites in Africa than any other species. It often basks near footpaths. Danger arises when it is stepped on or startled at close range. Its strike is a blur, injecting a potent cytotoxic venom. The venom destroys tissue, excruciating pain, massive swelling, bruising, and even necrosis. Not as rapidly fatal as a mamba, but severe doses or lack of treatment can mean limb loss or death. Every step in the bush requires caution. Number 5. No animal is more symbolic of Africa than the lion, the king of the savannah. Its roar echoes for miles, a declaration of dominance. Lions are social cats. Cooperation lets them take down prey far larger than any solo hunter. Wildebeest, zebra, young elephants, giraffes. The hunt is strategy and force. The myth of the man-eater lingers, but most lions show little interest in humans. Circumstances matter. Age, injury, shrinking habitat can push lions toward livestock, and rarely people. A full-grown male can exceed 200 kilograms, with claws like daggers and a crushing bite. When a lion hunts a human, it is almost always tragic, the clash born of encroaching habitats. The reality remains complex. Caution and respect keep the peace between people and the king of the savannah. Number 6. The water's edge is a place of life, but also a place of extreme danger. Lurking just beneath the surface, a prehistoric predator waits, the Nile crocodile, a living fossil perfected for ambush. With only eyes and nostrils showing, it waits for the thirsty to approach. Its attack is an explosion, teeth and muscle in an instant. The strongest bite on Earth, followed by the death roll, dismembering even wildebeest or buffalo. In its kingdom of water, the crocodile is sovereign. River, lake, waterhole, all potential traps. The crocodile does not differentiate between antelope and a person at the water. Hundreds of human fatalities each year. Attacks are sudden. Survival is rare. Number 7. Among hunters of old, it was called the Black Death, the Cape buffalo. Deceptively placid at first glance, but notoriously unpredictable. Volatile temperament, unlike many, a buffalo is more likely to attack than bluff. Vindictive when wounded, some even circle back to ambush their pursuers. Nearly a ton of muscle crowned by a fused horn boss, a living battering ram. It aims to kill, contributing to many human deaths, especially near rangelands. Even a herd can become a thundering, unstoppable force. Number 8. The largest land animal on Earth, the African elephant. Intelligent, social, deeply emotional. Gentle giants until provoked. When an elephant charges, it is an unstoppable force. Number 9. Musk bulls are notoriously aggressive. Matriarchs defend calves without hesitation. Encroaching settlements force conflict, deadly for humans and elephants alike. 6 tons of speed and strength can trample, topple, and crush with terrifying ease. Number 10. A surprising contender, the hippopotamus, statistically the most dangerous large animal in Africa. Extremely territorial, a hippo can bite a small boat in half or capsize it with ease. Many fatal encounters occur on land at night. Despite bulk, hippos can outrun a human. And an added bonus animal, the mosquito, specifically the female Anopheles, deadliest of all. It is a vector, a biological syringe, injecting parasites that cause malaria. Hundreds of thousands die each year, most of them young children in sub-Saharan Africa.